Hi everyone, today we'll be discussing the decomposition of casein plastic when it's introduced to a basic, neutral, or acidic solution. The materials you'll need are listed here. The basic solution in this experiment will be ammonia, and the acidic solution is going to be lemon juice. The neutral solution is water. Here I have 2 samples of casein which have hardened over the duration of a week. By using a sharp knife and cutting one of the casein samples in half, you can see how hard the casein is from the inside. Next, I cut the casein into 3 similar sizes. These 3 pieces are placed into solutions of ammonia, water, and lemon juice for a duration of about 7 days. In day 2, you can see that the food coloring has faded in the casein from the ammonia solution. On day 3, it's observed that the outer edges of casein from the ammonia and water solution have grown softer. For the next 3 days, the casein will continue to absorb the solution surrounding it. On day 7, the casein from the ammonia solution is soft and easy to break off. The casein from the water solution is soft but takes a little bit of effort to break off. Lastly, the casein from the lemon juice is hard and difficult to break off.